Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to react to Blue's Clues. Someone saw the Togo Life World Anti-Piracy screen. So let's just begin. The button so I can watch it. Okay, this is the beginning. Can I just watch the video? How about we take it around? Sorry about being it so dark. Okay, we're visiting Steve's house. Oh, what happened? Oh, what? Okay, what was that? What the heck happened? Okay, what is this? Hold on, this one. That was just a thumbnail. Yes, that was just a thumbnail. Don't worry about the thumbnail. I want to watch Blue's Clues, you know. I'm going to reset it again. Click. Why is the music so loud? I don't give a crap with this. Okay. Okay, it's loading. Pretend I did not play again. Put it on. Why do we have smiling like that? Aren't they supposed to be angry? I'm busy trying to watch my Blues Clues, let me loves the Blues Clues, let me loves the Blues Clues. Let me touch the Blues Clues, let me touch the Blues. Okay. Okay, come on. Why are they black and faceless? I'm going to turn my volume down because I'm expecting a jump scare, guys. There's always a jump scare in one of those anti-privacy screens. Oh, hey, why are you coming towards me? Oh my god, you're so creepy. Okay, time up. Why didn't you listen to us? Because why would I listen to you? This is the last door. Okay. Oh, what happened? What the heck? Hey, what's going on? Oh, they have the little blue. They have the blue kid. The orange has the blue kid. Okay, don't come towards me. Ah! Ah! Rest in peace, kid. Oh my god, this is so sad. This is so sad. I'm going back to my original house now. Wait, it's lagging. I'm going back to my old house now. I'm going to my